What if the secret to a world-class work ethic is just hailing a cab? This deceptively simple question holds the key to overcoming the mental resistance that keeps most of us from ever realizing our true potential. Every single morning in Manhattan, long before the rest of the city begins to stir, acclaimed dancer and choreographer Twyla Tharp starts her day at exactly 5:30 a.m. She puts on her workout clothes, steps out of her apartment, and walks into the quiet, cold morning air. Her ultimate destination is a gym on 91st Street, but her immediate focus is much closer. She is looking for a yellow taxi. She raises her hand to signal a passing taxi, steps inside the vehicle, and closes the door against the morning chill. She tells the driver to take her to the Pumping Iron Gym on 91st Street, where she will push her body to its limits for the next 2 hours. Yet, Tharp reveals that the grueling workout itself is not the actual habit she focuses on. For her, the critical, life-changing ritual is fully completed the very moment she steps into that cab. By focusing entirely on this tiny, almost effortless first step, she completely eliminates the friction and decision fatigue that stops so many of us before we even begin. She does not allow her mind any room to debate whether she is too tired, too busy, or too cold to face the physical demands of the gym. The simple, physical act of stepping into the cab automates the rest of her morning, pulling her forward on a track she no longer has to actively think about. By mastering this single, fleeting transition of showing up, she has sustained a legendary, decades-long creative career at the very top of her field. To build a monumental routine, focus entirely on mastering the incredibly simple first step that sets it in motion. We often fail to achieve our grandest ambitions because we paralyze ourselves by obsessing over the entire mountain we have to climb, rather than the first step out the door. By shrinking your focus to a single, effortless gateway action, the equivalent of hailing your own cab, you bypass your mind's natural resistance. Master the art of simply showing up for the transition, and let the momentum of that small victory carry you through the rest of the journey. Subscribe for one story, one lesson, every week.